Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your social science book is the land of sand, Saudi Arabia. So through this chapter we know about the meaning of deserts, what is Saudi Arabia and the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia and its vegetation and its also climate. So today we discuss with some pictures. So all of you see this video carefully and try to understand the meaning of this chapter, of these objectives. Okay. So first we discuss deserts. What is deserts? So deserts are mostly found near the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So deserts mostly found near the Tropic of Cancer line and Tropic of Capricorn line. So deserts covered 1/7 of Earth's land surface. So what area covered deserts? So desert cover 1/7 of the Earth land surface. Desert remind us of hot and dry winds, bright sunshine, camels and vast area covered with sand. And in deserts, small hills of sand are called sand dunes. So these are the sand dunes pictures. And a desert region is a land covered with sand and sand dunes. And the climate in desert is neither tropical nor temperate. So climate in deserts is neither tropical and nor temperate. The important deserts of the world are this one, the Sahara Desert and the Kalahari Desert in Africa. Second one, the Atacama Desert in South America. And the third one, the Colorado Desert in North America. The Australian Desert in Australia. And the last one, the Arabian Desert and the third desert in Asia. Now, the meaning of Saudi Arabia. What is Saudi Arabia? The Saudi Arabia is a large Middle Eastern nation which is situated in the Arabian Peninsula. So basically Saudi Arabia is situated in the peninsula and the world's largest peninsula. It lies between the Red Sea on the west and the Persian Gulf on the east, and it lies between the Red Sea on the west and the Persian Gulf on the east. The entire country is a big rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. So, the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia are Jordan, Iraq, Oman, Israel, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain and the Democratic Republic of Yemen. And some parts of Saudi Arabia have undergone water, which comes close to the surface and make pools of water. This pool is called an oasis. So, oasis is basically covered by pools of water. Okay. Now, another point is climate and vegetation. So the climate of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry with a little rainfall. In summer, the temperature may reach as high as 52 degrees Celsius. And the days are hot and the nights are cool in summer. But the other hand, in winter, the days are warm but the nights are very cold. As the climate is not suitable for a healthy vegetation, only grasses, thorny bushes and cacti grow here. Most of these plants have long roots which go deep inside the earth to take water. So, Saudi Arabian climate is not suitable for healthy vegetation. So, only grasses, thorny bushes and cactus grow there. And most of the plants have roots and go deep inside the earth to take water. Students, today we discuss about only these objectives. So to the later class I will discuss about the another topic. So today I have given these questions is related to these topics, so you try to answer this, okay, and show me in the evening period. Till then, thank you students, have a wonderful day ahead.